Yeah, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use money robot submitter to generate quality backlinks to your website or blog. So we all know that if you want to rank your website or your blog on search engine, you must one of the metrics you must have quality backlinks. So one of the issue we have is that building backlinks used to take a lot of time using manual method. That's why you need a particular software that can help you automate this process. Like for instance, you may be like, if you go on Fiverr, if you want to buy let's do fiverr.com, if you just click on backlinks, you're going to see a lot of these offering backlink service that they are going to generate thousands of backlinks, millions of backlinks, quality backlinks to your website. The best part of this, most of them are not doing this method manually. They are using particular software to create this quality backlinks to your website. So for your website or your page to rank on Google search engine or any, so maybe Bing or other search engine. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can use this money robot submitter to create backlinks to your website or your blog content and rank on a particular keyword you target. So you just click on the link under the description below. It's going to take you to this particular website. So it's going to be like this. You can use it for a 7 days free trial, so you don't have to pay. You can just use it for a 7 days free trial. So after 7 days free trial and you say that this software is okay, you can purchase it and start using it to create the quality backlinks for your site. So they have two pricing plan. They have the first, you can choose this first month with the first month, which is 67 per month, and if you want to purchase the lifetime license, which is going to save you a lot of money, so you just have to purchase this once and you're not going to pay money again. So that's how it works. And also you can also be using this particular software to generate quality backlinks for clients and be making a lot of money from it. So you can just go to Fiverr, like I showed you earlier on Fiverr. This one, most of the big Fiverr used to create backlinks to your site. They use this software like this money robot, Sinuk Pro. Walk you through this demo how you can use this money robot to create backlinks to your website or to your blog. So if this is the first time watching our video, please click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So like this is how this software is going to like currently I'm running a campaign for running a backlinks to my website right now by the time you are watching this video. So that's why you see how it is work. Like if you see like this, a lot of these backlinks that it has created to my website now. So I'm just going to walk you through how you can use it to generate quality backlinks, not all the spam backlinks or bad backlinks that's going to affect your website. And best part of it is that you don't have to be doing stress of indexing of going around to index the link manually by yourself. The software is going to do everything for you. So if you see, all links are sent to indexer automation, so which is going to let Google to know about your backlinks and index it to make your site rank for a particular keywords you are targeting. So after you gotten the software, you have installed it on your system, the next thing you have to do, just come to your settings, so capture. So you can leave this capture, you can leave the capture so the capture can use the money robot capture for free, which is still okay, or you can use the capture.com, which they are going to be charging like $1 to $1 capture in anyone you feel like using. And if you want to use the proxy, so you can use the money robot proxy system also. And if you personal proxy you want to use, you can just choose this option, anyone you feel like. So that's how it is. So after, just make sure you click on yes. So when you first install it, the option is going to be, it's not going to be tick, so just go to the settings and tick it. So after you set it up, so just cancel it. just click on cancel. The next thing you have to do is just click on create project. So that's how the project is going to look like. So first thing, you have to choose the SEO strategy, which method you want to use. If the keyword is, if you are using if you are targeting I keyword, so you can choose the I competition. If you are targeting, so which one, just choose the one that best for the keyword you are targeting. So after that, so you should enter the URL you want to create backlinks for. So maybe let's just use this particular website for demo. So let's just do like this. So just enter money robot. So enter the keyword you want to target. You can enter as much as possible keywords you want. Backlink. Just enter as much as possible keywords you want to rank for, or you can also use this the option. You can also use their option. You can also use the keyword research option, so to search for keywords you want to rank for. So just choose the option after you know the keyword you want to rank for, then paste the keyword on each line. So after that, use this then you have to generate articles. So the software is going to generate articles that is going to they are going to use as content to create backlinks to your website or to your blog. Waiting for you to create the articles. So that's how it looks. So you can use your own article, but your article spinner on article builder on Money Robot as well. So you can just preview your article. So it's going to show you that is going to show you. You can spin it again. So it's going to create this content. This is the content is going to create for your website and create backlinks to your website or your blog. So it's going to show some link here. This link is going to be to the website you want to create a backlinks for. So after you have created the articles, the next option is to choose the spread submission. So I recommend you should choose 7 days. So 7 days. So after you have set it up, the next option you just click on start campaign. You just click on start campaign. So it will start creating campaign for your website. Campaign, social bookmarks, web to backlinks, blog backlinks to your website to make your website rank for a particular keywords you are targeting. So you can also use this. You can use also this social media like to create links to your to create social share to your website. So you will see here, all shares and likes are made using 22,000 trusted social accounts, which this is not both accounts which is going to affect your account. These are real accounts to share your website also. And if you want to rank a video, maybe a YouTube video, or you want to get views to your YouTube videos, you can also use this software to create views and like to your videos. And if you want to create traffics, quality traffic from search engine, not from bots, you can also use this software to create quality traffic to your website. So that's how the website works. That's how the software works. How you quality backlinks to your website. So currently, by the time I was doing this video, you can generate close to 7,541 quality backlinks to your website or blog. So that's how it works. So just click on the link under this video description. Is going to take you to this page where you can start your 7 days free trial to use it, or after you have used it, finish, you can just choose on your monthly subscription or a lifetime subscription. So you can also be using software to create backlinks personally for your website or for your page, or you can be using to offer service on Fiverr. You will see most of them, like you see what I'm saying. I will build 75 backlinks, do follow backlinks. Like if you check this software, can you see it's also 75, which means they are using this particular software to create these backlinks for you. So you can also use the software to create backlinks for them, and you'll be making money online. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you're first time watching our video, please click on subscribe button, like and comment. We'll see you again.